I started coming to Dentistry At Its Finest about 15 years ago when I was still smoking, and I knew at that point that I needed a lot of work done to repair damage from smoking, and I wanted a better smile. I think it was really the whole desire to improve my smile and restore that smile that gave me that confidence to quit smoking and really changed my life for the better in a lot of ways. The defining moment to me for when I knew I needed to see a dentist was when one of my crowns from a prior dentist actually fell off. I was very nervous coming in because I think I was more embarrassed with how I had let my smile deteriorate. The assistants to Dr. Ayzin, to the hygienist who worked with me at first, Arose, they really made me feel comfortable and did not ever make me feel ashamed for having got to the point where I was in my smile.
Gary came in 2006. He was a smoker. He wasn't happy with the color of his teeth, and they were also stained. We talked about straightening his teeth and then doing veneers. At the time, he was not ready for porcelain veneers, but he was open to straighten his bite and align his teeth. And after we finished his treatment with Invisalign, he had a question. He goes, "Doc, what can you do about the color?" So we discussed porcelain veneers, and it was a good fit for Gary. So we basically transformed his smile. I honestly didn't realize that Gary stopped smoking because of the veneers which we delivered for him. That's awesome to change people's lives like this.
I'm definitely proud of my smile, and the one thing I will reiterate is I wish I would have done it sooner. Anybody that's smoking, that's struggling with that, this is a great team that can help you improve your life in that aspect as well. After Dr. Ayzin had placed the veneers on that final visit, and when he said, "Okay, now I can look," after all this time of waiting, my one comment was, "Wow." And he was like, "I like to hear that." I would just recommend to anybody that's thinking about a new dentist, a new practice, or cosmetic dentistry improvements, this team would definitely take care of you.